Alright, this is really the only thing I need to see and hear be done correctly before moving on with anything. Hopefully working with the physical therapist helps. Get your hands doing what they need to. But, as I mentioned yesterday, if done correctly, the volume of those chords should remain about the same as you slide from one to the next. And that needs to happen in order for us to start correcting, when you change chords, you basically don't hear anything in between. Instead of going, or even something like, because you want to hear continuous sound when you're changing chords. Now, some exceptions might be like, well, how do you go from string to string? Well, you have to have a little bit of a gap. But you end up getting fast enough so where you still basically switch to the next chord right when you're doing your strum. You're not going, moving, and then strumming. So both of these hands got to be synced up. Alright, so here's how this should sound at 60. And remember, do the slide right after you say 3. Think about it that way. If you end up doing it when you say 3, that's okay. We just want to make sure that you're not doing it before. So instead of anticipating beat 3, think about like you want to move just after you say it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get some more volume here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try with some distortion too. That might help you. Because right now you're always just doing clean. If you want to play rock, you got to play with distortion anyway. So try that too. There's more compression with distortion. So it makes sliding way easier as far as being able to have the volume stay consistent. But I know it's not an issue with compression on your amp because I was able to make those slides happen fine. So here it is with distortion on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, definitely recommend trying it with distortion. If your amp doesn't have it, we've talked about you getting a different amp. And it's definitely well past time to do that. Excuse me. You could get a distortion pedal, but overall, because of how crackly and poppy that amp is, and it seems like it's too loud for that room anyway, definitely get a practice amp that's more suited for that. One that has different amp simulation is a good idea. You can get something like that for like $100 to $200, and provide all kinds of neat sounds and whatnot to have fun with. But having something with some distortion on might help out a lot too. So try that. Send the video over when you feel like you got this and everything is sounding 100% correct. And then we'll move on from there. Okay? Alright. I will see you soon.